Hello. I'm polishing my base. Yes, this is what I do on my Friday nights, even though it's Wednesday. I have plans for Friday, so I have to do this early. Look how dusty it is. Me being cheap, I got myself a silver tone. I think. I don't know. I think it's a silver tone. I'm not really sure. So anyways, how was your day? Comment below. Whoa. Comment below. 'Cause I'm bored. Bored out of my mind. Sitting around doing nothing. I could do my homework, but I don't feel like it. Let's just go on Facebook or something. Ryan. How pretty it looks now. My base's name is Emily. There's still freaking plastic under there. Anyways, dudes, I gotta go and get on Facebook. Peace.